bringing Israel to the world. This is IBN News.
With news of Israel, I'm Susan Michaels. As Israel's coronavirus infections rise, 4 more people have lost their lives to the disease, bringing the national death count to 348. Active cases of COVID-19 have topped 16,000, with at least 122 in serious condition, 39 of those patients on ventilators. The average daily infection rate for July is currently more than 1,000. At the same time, a record-breaking 10,000 IDF soldiers on active duty, as well as civilian employees working on military bases, have been placed in quarantine after coming in contact with coronavirus carriers, including IDF Chief of Staff Aviv Kochavi, in quarantine for the second time since the start of the outbreak. By midweek, the IDF had 350 confirmed virus cases, twice the number reported in the first wave of the pandemic, although most of those cases are either asymptomatic or have just mild symptoms. Acknowledging that the government reopened some parts of Israel's economy too quickly, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said this week, "Looking back, we can say that the last part of the opening of the economy was premature." Speaking at a press conference, Netanyahu went on, "Handling the coronavirus requires responsible decision-making, balancing between trial and error." The Prime Minister, along with Finance Minister Israel Katz, went on to present the government's financial rescue plan, which would include a social safety net for wage and self-employed workers and a financial safety net for businesses until June of 2021. As protesters from across the political spectrum have taken to the streets over the economic slowdown, opposition leader Yair Lapid says the protests could turn violent as restrictions are reinstated in an effort to contain the coronavirus. The protests come after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu ordered many businesses to shut down again, and many Israelis are finding no relief from the record 21% unemployment. Police said there has been no sign of violence at protests, but Lapid cautioned that could change. And health officials say public buses in Israel are becoming a major source of coronavirus infection, with transport companies neglecting the problem and ministries shifting responsibility. I'm Susan Michaels.
IBN, Israel Broadcast Network.